What's up, everyone? Mr. Jeff the Custodian here. Listen, I have discovered that foam window cleaner would do an amazing job on cleaning stainless steel. I have tried many methods of cleaning stainless steel. I've bought the stainless steel cleaner and it's just oily and I don't like the results that it leaves. I was in a really pretty fancy motel in Nashville, Tennessee several years ago, and I seen a guy cleaning elevator doors and he was using a foam cleaner. Now, I don't know if it was a foam stainless steel cleaner or anything, but I remember that. And when we started using this foam window cleaner, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try it on stainless steel. So I'm gonna show you right here. I don't know if this is giving the best results with this camera. You can kind of see right in there in different things what that looks like. And it's just really a pain. So I'm just gonna give it a spray down here. All right, and what I do is I just take my folded microfiber, and I believe the grain runs on this stainless steel this way. I don't know if you've ever thought about that, but you know, you can see the grain. If you can kind of go with the grain in your wiping, and I just start from top to bottom, and you just wipe that stainless steel down. I am gonna go down on the sides because it's so thin. Now you'll notice right there, you can see that flash drying right there, but when that dries, I'm gonna take another shot of this and see what she looks like. So now that it's completely dry, you can see it does a really good job. There ain't no fingerprints, no runs from water drips, because that's right under a paper towel dispenser. So, best method I've found. So I hope that might help you with your stainless steel. If you're having problems with it, foam window cleaner, I mean, it works for me. I like it. If you have a method that's working for you, hey, by all means, stick to it. But I'm gonna put a link in the description below of some foam window cleaner that I really like. And also, I'm gonna put a link of where you can buy me coffee to help support this channel. But I wanna say this right here. Hey, go out there and clean you some stainless steel. Clean them elevator doors. Because, I mean, I'm gonna tell you something. Somebody's gonna come by and they're gonna put the big old chungus hand on it, and they're gonna leave you a big old greasy handprint. Then you might get it off in about 5 minutes. I have a great day.